I'm Netta.
And I'm James.
And we've been on a road trip exploring Northern California.
In our last episode, we saw the Golden Gate Bridge at sunset from afar, and today we'll get up even closer.
After taking in the stunning beauty of the Golden Gate just after sunrise, we'll explore Napa Valley, the town of Yountville, and a couple Michelin-star restaurants.
We are right on Chestnut Street, and in about a few minutes we're going to be driving over the Golden Gate Bridge.
It feels like the first time. Every moment I'm with you. You still catch my eye with every little thing you do. It's like a river wild, running as free as it can be.
So it's absolutely incredibly windy, but there's literally no one here. It's not like we're on like a Tuesday. It's Friday.
Yeah, it's Friday morning.
It's Friday. And it's just that no one wants to take the crazy drive to come see the gorgeous view that's here. And you can see the beach all the way down.
Let's go wherever the wind blows. Fly away where only the stars go. There's no end in sight. Let's get lost in time. Let's go wherever the wind blows. Wherever the wind blows. Wherever the wind blows.
We're going closer.
This place is so cool. I think it was like an old military bunker or something. Because you see all these like brick buildings and concrete buildings.
Let's go wherever the wind blows. Fly away where only the stars go. There's no end in sight. Let's get lost in time. Let's go wherever the wind blows. Wherever the wind blows. Wherever the wind
She's always talking about San Francisco and how she never gets to go back home as much as she'd like to. Tells me that I love the Bay and has a place where we could stay okay. I want to. I just can't find the time to break away. Says she's gonna take me there someday. I say we could get out of Manhattan in a New York minute. There's a yellow cab, yeah, we should get in it. We don't need a reason, let's get on a plane. San Francisco, when you're ready, let me know. San Francisco.
For breakfast today, we got some biscuits and this berry galette.
Coffee, smoothies,
smoothies,
and
and
skyr.
organic probiotic skyr. It's blueberry
Oh,
lavender.
it's so healthy, and it's actually not too expensive when you get it from the grocery store.
We got it from Good Earth Natural Foods.
Alright.
So we're in Sonoma Valley.
We're in Sonoma Valley.
Heading over to Napa Valley.
Heading on our way to Napa Valley. Just passed by the jacuzzi, like as in like the family who invented the jacuzzi, their orchard, their winery, and all of these cute little Italian villas and wineries are actually adorable. We love driving through here. You just see so many cute things like navel oranges and apples and cherries, and then just seeing the wineries, like the big, beautiful, just like rows of them. Just like as you're driving, it's just so gorgeous. Okay, so we have just stopped at our very first winery estate, and it's so gorgeous. There's just manicured hedges around us, and it's beautiful. What do you think so far? What do you think of Domaine Carneros?
It's really fancy.
It's really fancy.
It's crazy to think that one day this was someone's house and you just have these massive like parties and get-togethers with so many
Right?
people.
It feels like a little Versailles. There's a little lake on the corner and a gorgeous parking lot.
This is
Then
the first time I've been to a chateau.
it's so pretty, and I love it. I love it. Inspired by the Louis XV style Chateau de Marqueterie in Champagne, France. I can't read. Oh my God.
We are in the town of Yountville.
It's such a cute town, isn't it?
It's such a cute town.
Yeah.
Look at this cute little bridge.
This right behind me is the garden of the French Laundry, one of the nicest restaurants in California. 3 Michelin stars by Thomas Keller. And we're just here, and it's really cute. It's just this whole little spot right by this cute little town. Okay, so we're just exploring Yountville in Napa Valley, and there's just so many good looking restaurants around here. Yeah, we got a reservation at Ad Hoc, which is one of the Thomas Keller restaurants. And actually, before we go, we're gonna first visit the French Laundry, which is actually right here.
The gardens are so beautiful.
I do. You're so cute. Hey, cutie pie. Hey. It looks like we just found our restaurant. Ad Hoc. Oh my goodness. I can't wait to try it. It looks so yummy. Are you excited?
Yeah, I'm excited.
Me too. Okay, let's
There's the menu.
Yeah.
So James and I love the blue cheese dressing, even though we don't like blue cheese.
Yeah, it's incredible.
It was incredible.
I don't even. Yeah, it's just so good.
So good.
This is the famous lemon fried chicken. Oh wow.
You like it?
This is really good.
The fried chicken?
I wonder if you got a steak too. You excited?
It's so good. Look at how beautiful that is.
That looks really yum. You just go in for it.
It's the best fried
ad
chicken.
hoc. Best fried chicken. So what do you think
The
so
carrot.
far? We're just gonna stop for ourselves.
It's so good.
Is that really good steak?
It like melts in your mouth. I feel like this is the carrots that we saw in the garden.
Yeah.
And the rosemary too.
Yeah.
This is incredible.
Yeah. Okay. So, butterscotch pudding. Let me know what you think.
I got a little bit of everything.
Is that good? Okay, now I have to try. You're just going in for again? Okay, let me try it. Oh my god.
Okay, so we need to fill you guys in on something.
So, we met Thomas Keller.
But we didn't know
met.
we met Thomas Keller. We spoke to him.
We thought he was just a worker.
And it's really hilarious because we asked,
were like,
so do you work at the French Laundry?
And he's like, yes, I do, in fact. But
And we're like, oh, that's so cool. We love the place. Like, we're so excited to be here. And he's like, oh, that's great. You should walk around, check it out, check out the gardens. And
Yeah.
we're like, oh, thank you, we will.
okay, we walk around, and then we're like, wait a minute, that might have been him.
Because we looked up photos of him, and like the whole time I was like, it feels like it's him. I mean,
Feels like it's
it
him.
looks like him. What are the odds that it's like some other random chef that works at the French Laundry that looks just like him?
Right, exactly. So
So-
we wish we got a photo.
We were like 2 seconds away, but both of us were just too nervous and just like we didn't know what to do. We was talking to someone else, and we didn't know if he was busy. Anyway, all these doubts, like I'm frustrated that
We just went and ate at one of his restaurants ad hoc.